Ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer while the rest struggle to get ahead? What if I told you there's a simple formula for building wealth that anyone can follow? Stick around, because in today's video we're breaking down 5 powerful money habits that can change your financial future. Number 1. Pay yourself first. First up, the golden rule of wealth building: pay yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. The best way to do this? Automate your savings. Set up a direct transfer to your investment or savings account the moment your paycheck arrives. This ensures you're building wealth before spending on unnecessary expenses. Number 2. Multiple streams of income. Relying on just one income stream is risky. The wealthiest individuals don't depend solely on their jobs. They build multiple income streams. This could be investing in stocks, real estate, side businesses, or even passive income sources like dividends. Start by learning one new way to earn outside your main job and build from there. Number 3. Smart investing. The rich don't just save money, they make their money work for them. Investing is key to growing wealth over time. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or index funds, the earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound interest. Even if you start small, consistency is what matters. Number 4. Spend wisely and avoid bad debt. Ever heard the saying, the poor pay interest, the rich earn it? High interest debt, like credit cards, keeps many people trapped in financial stress. The key? Avoid unnecessary debt and only borrow for things that appreciate in value, like education or property. Cut back on impulse spending and focus on intentional wealth building. Number 5. Continuous learning. Wealthy people never stop learning. Whether it's reading finance books, watching educational content like the Financiable, or following market trends, knowledge is power. The more you learn, the better financial decisions you can make. Make it a habit to learn something new about money every day. And there you have it. These 5 simple habits can help you transform your financial future. Which of these habits do you already follow? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future wealth building tips. See you in the next one.